Hi everyone, it's Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. Today's quick tip is about the metallic threads. Very, very fine and beautiful to use. But how do you tame the ends when you're ready to put it away? It comes in a Ziploc bag, which of course you can store it in there. But if you're like me, oftentimes it continues to unravel. And as I'm pulling it out, I'm pulling and pulling and pulling. So I've got a tip for you that might seem kind of silly, but it works really well. And a lot of people have seen me do it on my videos and have asked me, what is that? So I thought I'd share it with you. It's poster tack. This is the same type of tack that teachers use in their classroom to hold posters. It doesn't mar the walls or the painted surfaces. So all I did was pull off a small amount. I put the end of my thread right here on top of the spool, and then I press the poster tack right on top of that thread. Now every time I throw it in the bag, it comes out perfectly all together. So next time you're at the store, you can probably find it at any big discount store or at the teacher's store. Grab yourself a small package of this. It'll last you a long time. And do this with all your metallic threads. It works on your baker's twine as well. I hope today's quick tip has helped organize your stamping space a little bit more. Thanks for joining me, everyone. I look forward to seeing you next time. Have a great day.